And all of a sudden, that stock price tripled, and I was a billionaire. We sold the company to Yahoo for stock, and I had seen stocks go up, and I had seen stocks go down. And I told Todd, my partner, I told everybody who worked for us, there's a good chance because this stock market is so highly priced that the whole thing could crash. Don't be greedy. Todd had the same, pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. Don't get slaughtered. So I put together what they call a collar. And what that is, I sold some of the upside to that Yahoo stock that they gave me, and I protected myself by buying puts on the downside. 3 months later, the internet stock market cratered. It was called one of the top 10 Wall Street trades of all time. And it taught me a hell of a lesson. When you just chase dollars, it never works out well. I was worth $1 billion motherfucking dollars, and it was the most insane thing that I could ever come to realize. All I had to do was protect it and not get greedy, and I'd be set for the rest of my life.